Hello and welcome to another episode of How to Do It by Duane's Reliable Computer Services. So today I'm going to show you something a little bit different, and that is how to reinstall Windows 10. This might come up if you're having trouble with Windows and there's an option inside of Windows to refresh it, and I've seen where sometimes that just does not work. But if you have a USB, you can actually reinstall Windows 10 yourself. Just be careful because you will lose any programs or documents that you've added to it. So you would have to save those off and reload those again. What you need, it's very simple. You're going to go to Microsoft.com, search for Media Creation Tool. You'll need an empty 16 gig USB. If it isn't empty, all the contents will be erased, and you need to know how to boot into the USB to install Windows. So, all right, so let's get started here. So first thing, we're going to go to Microsoft.com. Right up here, you've got the little search, and we're going to search for Media Creation Tool. Okay, when that pops up, we're going to Windows 10, and you've got some choices. You can update your current one to the Windows 10 October 2020 update. Oh, here it is. Download the tool now. This tool is to upgrade this PC. Use the tool to create installation media, and that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to say, okay, let's download the tool now. And here goes the download. Didn't take too long. All right. Once it's downloaded, we pop the download open. You'll get the, are you sure you want to make changes? And you say yes. And then we wait for this to start working. Of course, it's going to my other screen, so I'll drag it back over here so we can see this. Okay. It's getting a few things ready. Okay, so finally you'll get the end-user license agreement. We've got to accept on that, and back to getting a few things ready. So the next thing it's going to do is ask us what we want to do, and we can upgrade this PC now, or what we're going to do, we're going to create installation media on a USB, a DVD, or an ISO. So we will choose that one, and we'll hit next. And the language, we're going to go with English, Windows 10, 64-bit. We're using the recommended options for this PC, so we'll go ahead and say OK to that one. And now it's going to ask, choose the media. USB flash drive is what we want to do. If you do an ISO, basically that's going to save it in a disk file on your computer, and then you would need another program to convert that to a DVD or something else later on. So we're going to do the USB option. Click next on that. And I had already put in a USB. It's a removable one, and it's D. If you're not sure, you can pop open and go to this PC, and it'll show you all the disks that you have on there. This is my current Windows installation, and this is the external or the USB that I have plugged in. So yep, that's exactly the one that we want. I do have another installation on here, and it's going to erase that one. It's an older Windows 10, so that's why I'm doing this. All right, so once you've got that, then you go ahead and hit next. And it's back to getting a few things ready. That'll take a little bit of time. So the downloading finished, and now it's just going through and it's creating the Windows 10 media. So this takes quite a while, so I'm not having you sit through this entire thing on the video. Okay, once it has finished creating, then it'll show up this screen. Your USB flash drive is ready, and it's in D. So then you click Finish. And that's all it takes. As far as installing Windows, if you are installing a new hard drive, if you put this USB in and restart your computer, it should find it because that should be the only bootable drive. If you're reinstalling on a hard drive you already have, you want to reboot with the USB plugged in and hit F12 for Dell and Lenovo, and what I usually do is I just keep hitting it. So tap, tap, tap until it gives you the boot menu. If you're on HP, then you want to hit F9. Those are the most popular PCs. For others, just go ahead and Google it, and it should kind of tell you that. So, hope this has been a good video for you. I know this is a little more technical than most of them I do, but it's something that you can do on your own if you feel that you can. Leave your comments about this video, and if there's other videos you'd like to see, let me know. And as always, please subscribe.